welcome to Trendline Times. Today we bring you a terrifying update. The sea has spoken, the earth has cracked, and an ancient warning may be coming true. A massive earthquake has struck near Russia and Japan, shaking the very crust beneath the Pacific. And yes, a tsunami alert has been triggered. At exactly 1:45 a.m. on July 30th, the earth shook violently beneath the northern Pacific Ocean. A monstrous magnitude 8.8 earthquake ripped through the sea near Russia and Japan. The depth just 20 kilometers below the ocean floor, shallow enough to trigger a tsunami and deep enough to awaken volcanoes. And here's what it gets chilling. Earlier this year, fishermen off Japan's coast spotted a terrifying creature from the deep, the rare oarfish known in folklore as a doomsday fish. In ancient Japanese belief, the appearance of this deep sea creature is said to signal an upcoming disaster, and now that legend might have come to life. In one of her chilling prophecies, Baba Vanga warned of a time when nature would revolt, massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and strange signs from the deep. Now, as the mysterious doomsday fish surfaces and a mega quake strikes between Russia and Japan, many believe her warning is unfolding before our eyes. Tsunami warnings were issued across Russia, Japan, Hawaii, Alaska, the US, West Coast, and many Pacific island nations. In Russia, some coastal towns were hit by waves and as high as 3 to 4 meters. Japan also recorded tsunami waves, some as high as 1 meter. Scientists say this might not be the end. Tectonic pressure in the region remains dangerously high. More aftershocks are expected, and yes, a bigger earthquake could strike again. Countries along the Pacific Ring of Fire, from Japan to Indonesia, from Russia to the Americas, are now on alert. And there is more. Soon after the earthquake, a massive volcano in Russia began to stir. Ash plumes seen from satellites, a new volcanic cone forming. The biggest question, is this another 2004 scale tsunami in the making? Not yet. But the same tectonic plates, the Pacific plate and neighboring fault zones are involved. If a larger rupture occurs, even India's eastern coast could face risk. Governments are on high alert, evacuation drills underway, sirens tested, coastal barriers reinforced, because when the earth moves like this, it doesn't stop easily.